This zoomlion ZD230 replacement of the steering pump. That's the housing. As we proceed, you can see the steering pump is over here. See, you count the number of the splines. Check the gross height of the pump. See, that is it. That's the pump. This is the better one. This was the one that was having a problem, couldn't have a backlash. As you can hear, no backlash. And from this side, you can hear the backlash of the pump. So it's able to steer the steering of the dozer. Of the zoomlion ZD230. Thank you.